Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So let's begin. Your cards are already out. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals or the counseling sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end and I will share more information with you. In your love life, you've got the 5 of Moons and the Temperance card. Hmm. I see a lot of nostalgia that is happening. Okay, I see that you are looking into the past, reminiscing the old days, that how things were really good between the two of you, or how your relationships were smooth, how your friendships were intact, right? I do feel that a lot of you, whether you're single in a situationship, relationship, or married, somebody from the past will be coming back this week. Yes, you heard it right. Somebody from the past will be coming back this week, but you don't have to get way too excited about it. You have to control your emotions. I know you can feel overwhelmed. I know you can feel like you want to cry. I know you can burst out with happiness because you have been waiting on this person for a very long time. But you have to ask these questions before you take them back. If they cheated on you, lied to you, you have to ask them if they have changed, if they have cut all ties with the third party. If they were not giving you commitment, you have to ask them, are they ready to give you commitment or not? If they were not making you happy, you have to ask them, is this person now coming back with the intention of making me happy or not? Were you happy with them or not, or just you felt the void without them? So please make sure that you're not taking this person back out of emotional attachment, but you are thinking practically about your future and about yourself. Also, I do see that when this person comes back, a lot of the circumstances around the both of you would have changed. Like, for example, when you first married to this person, you could have been in a nuclear family, but now probably you'll have to stay with your in-laws because they're getting old, and it can be any other situation for you now that you have children, right? So your situation has changed a lot. Your priorities have changed. Maybe you're working now, you were not working back then. You have to adapt to the circumstances of today. So if you tell this person, or this person tells you that, things were not like that before, I want to go back to the old you, I want to go back to that old life, that's not possible. So what he or she can do right now, or what you can do right now, right? So you have to be able to think from today's point of view and not from the past. So please make sure that there is a balance in your emotions, there is a practical approach, there is adaptability to the circumstances, because this person is definitely going to come back. So please make sure that you ask these questions. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the 8 of Stars and the 7 of Sun. Some of you could be dealing with a Gemini Sun Moon rising. Or you could have a Gemini Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that some of you will be dealing with some sort of sickness this week, which will stop you from giving your 100% to your work. It can be your business. Probably you will not be able to go to the shop, your own business, handle stuff the way you used to, or not go to your office if that's an office. Even if you're a student, you might not be able to give 100% to your studies. Something is stopping you. Now, this can be your own negativity or negative mindset. It can be depression. It can be health issues like fever, cough, cold. It can be backaches, muscular aches. It can be anything. So please take care of your health first. Drink enough water. Do not let your body dehydrate, and eat enough. Okay. I do see that this week will be challenging for you when it comes to your work. That means you'll have to struggle to reach to the top. But ultimate success is there. So this week will feel like a mountain that you're climbing, 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 but you're not reaching the top, right? But eventually you will. So please do not give up. I know that every week is not the same, every day is not the same. Some days you have really high energy, so make use of those days, and some days you don't have energy, so you have health issues. Rest and rejuvenate those days, right? So this is going to be a challenging week for your work, where it can feel like a struggle to compete, a struggle to stay on top, a struggle to survive even. So please make sure that you are continuously climbing this mountain and not giving up, even with that means that only taking one step, don't think that you know that you're never going to reach the top, because success is very near. Just do not give any hopes. So if I see your overall week, I do feel that this can be a very important and challenging week, in terms of health, and also in terms of balancing your emotions when that person comes back, right? So please make sure that you're able to handle things well, because everything depends on you, how you handle things, how you take care of your health, how you balance your work life balance, how you maintain that. Overall, if you're able to do that, I do feel that this will be a smooth transition for you. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know which situation you're going through. I will be reading all your comments and replying to them as well. And lastly, if you would like to book any personal readings with me, I do that as well. I do rituals and counseling sessions. So if you feel like you need to book a counseling session where you need to feel uh, where you feel like you need to be heard, you have a lot of burden, you don't have anyone to give you the right guidance, you can always come to me. I also have audio video call session available. I also have different packages available for people who are single, in love, or looking for career related advice. I also have exclusive two love readings available. One is a no contact reading, which is Oracle love reading, and the other one is Mystic Red Rose love reading. Both of you, whether you're in contact or no contact, can book this to know what is the real connection between the two of you. And yes, personal readings are always available that you can choose to ask questions. Audio video sessions are only available on Instagram, Google Meet, and Zoom. And to book any kind of sessions, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. It's mentioned in my bio and description box, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because I post my prices and my services, everything on a daily basis over there. So you will know about the prices, you will know about when my channel is closed, as it was closed for a while because I wasn't feeling well. So you will stay updated on my Instagram. Second, if I launch a new service, which I keep on launching, so that you will be get aware from there. So it's difficult to mention all the services, though I have made sure that it's mentioned. But to know deeply into what a service does, and what will you get in a personal reading, what will you get in a package, what will you get in a spiritual counseling session, to know the details, you can either DM me, email me, or you can directly follow me on Instagram. So guys, please take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.